about 9 months, 7 months ago, that we should make progress. Some of the contractors are performing like setback works. CBC is also trying, TCRC doing very well. For me, what will give us joy in this thing is the performance of the projects. Funding has never been a problem. If we are considering to pay you quickly so that our work should go, then it will should. Don't want any form of preparation of project. If you come in tomorrow to tell me that I will revalue your contract, I will never revalue your contract because I don't delay payment. So if we are not delaying payment, you should do fast so that you can complete your job. If you are not doing well, we will not give you another project. We are not here to cut corners.
They didn't come back to site. Some of them close to 2 billion were in their hands. But the good thing now is that we have invited all of them, we have held meetings with them. They have all returned back to sites to utilize the money. And you cannot come and tell us to give you variation, even when our money was in your hands and you didn't use the money in the past. So all of them did not really ask for variation. They have come back to site, they are working. From now onwards, I haven't warned them. Anyone that deviate from this our agreement is agreement.
It was from the past administration, and we had serious difficulty to execute the project. Actually, we were having not some delay of payment, which the project was, let me say, on hold. And thank God, when Your Excellency and your administration came in, we had the go-ahead to continue the project, and the project is ongoing, and all is successful.